It's actually pretty scary how good AI has gotten at creating content. And in this video, I'm sharing the new way I'm using AI to help me script and create viral content in minutes that not only sounds just like me, but also converts. Because let's be honest, staring at your blank screen on your phone or laptop for hours trying to come up with your next post or video idea is literally the worst. And no, this is not another ChatGPT 5 tutorial. The AI I'm going to show you in this video has completely dethroned ChatGPT 5, Claude, Gemini as the top AI app for content creation. And in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly why. I'm going to show you the new way I'm using AI to help me brainstorm and create pretty much unlimited content ideas that get views, convert into sales, and that actually sound like me. And it does all of this in a fraction of the time it would take me to do this all on my own. Let me show you what I mean. So here on my screen, you can see the new AI app I'm using, and it's called Poppy. And the way I like to describe Poppy is like if ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Jarvis from Iron Man all had a baby, that would be Poppy. Because unlike ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, it's not just a chatbot style AI app where everything is all text-based and linear. It's a visual whiteboard that allows you to add and connect all the parts of the internet, information about you, your brand, and your audience all together on a visual whiteboard like this. And it then allows you to chat directly with all of this information using AI. It's like having an AI brain that you can customize and teach to think and sound like you, but not in a scary AI clone yourself kind of way. You can upload things like Instagram and TikTok posts, YouTube videos, PDFs, voice notes and images, websites, and a bunch of other things all onto your Poppy board like you can see right here. And then Poppy will automatically see, transcribe, and understand exactly what it's looking at. Then you can just add a chat to the board and Poppy AI will then be able to talk to you directly about all of the information you added to its brain, aka your Poppy board. For example, if I copy and paste a link to this meme post that I found the other day onto a Poppy board and then ask Poppy to describe it to me in detail, watch what happens. It not only tells me what the post is about, it can describe exactly what it looks like as well, which you can see it's doing right here. Pause the video if you want to see what it says. And it even works for long form YouTube videos too. Watch. If I copy and paste a link to this MrBeast video, for example, and ask what it's about, Poppy automatically transcribes it, views the actual video, and can tell me exactly what the video topic is about, as well as all of the visuals included in the video. ChatGPT, Claude, and even Gemini cannot do any of this. They can't automatically transcribe and watch social media posts or YouTube videos from a link like Poppy can. If you wanted to do this process with ChatGPT 5 or Claude on their own, it would take you a lot longer and you'd have to do a lot more steps to get to this point. With Poppy, all you have to do is copy and paste. But let me show you how I personally use Poppy AI as my content creation brain to help me create my content and videos and scripts way faster than I ever could do it myself. I'm talking from days to less than an hour. Then if you like what you see, you can copy me and use this process too. So here you can see I opened up a brand new blank board inside of Poppy. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Poppy board to help you create viral Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts. Now, when you're using Poppy, there's a specific 4-step structure that I've tested and figured out through lots of my own trial and error that gets you the best results from your Poppy boards every single time. It's a way that I don't really see a lot of other people talking about. The 4 steps you need are part 1, tone of voice. Part 2, viral references. Part 3, content ideas. And part 4, prompting. I'm going to go through each one of these parts step by step, but if you're missing even one of these parts, your content will pretty much sound like AI slop, which will never get views, or worse, never convert into sales. And I promise you, it's not super technical or complicated, and it only takes a few minutes. Let me show you. The first thing you need is to click over here on the left menu where it says groups. This will create a group on the Poppy board. A group is really just a way to keep all the information organized for Poppy so that it understands what everything is and makes it easier for you to chat and prompt with it later. Once you have your first group added, you want to click here and rename your group tone of voice. Next, you want to create a second group and rename it viral references, and then create one last group and call it content idea. Basically, we're creating one group for each part of the process I'm going to show you next. Next, what you want to do is come back to part 1, which was tone of voice. And this is where we're going to teach Poppy exactly what we sound like when we talk. This part is really important because this is how Poppy learns how to replicate your tone and personality in scripts and written text, so that when it creates content for you, it actually sounds like you and not some AI garbage. To teach Poppy your tone of voice, you want to open up your social media account or your YouTube channel or wherever you've posted content where you're speaking out loud, like I'm doing right now. You then want to take some of your most popular posts or videos or posts that you just really like that is a good example of how you talk. Then copy the links to them and paste them into your Poppy board one by one, like you can see I'm doing right here. I like to use 4 or 5 posts for this group. And you can see each time I paste a link to one of my social media posts onto my board, Poppy immediately starts to transcribe the video and watches it, for a lack of a better word, to see what's happening in the video visually. And it does this all behind the scenes for you automatically. You don't have to prompt it to do this, but I don't want you to worry if you don't have any spoken content posted yet. You can also use written content, like emails you've written or blog posts, and then you can copy and paste a text document that you've written by clicking right here. And worst case scenario, if you're completely brand new and you haven't posted anything yet, you can open up a voice note in Poppy and just start talking how you normally speak. Talk about a topic you really like and give Poppy a few minutes of recorded speaking. Then you can add that voice note to your board to teach Poppy what you actually sound like when you talk. The whole point of this step is to use your content to teach Poppy what your tone of voice actually sounds like, so that it can replicate it later when we ask it to create content for us. This is what will make you stand out as a creator so that you don't just sound like every other generic ChatGPT prompted post out there. Now, once you've done that, part 1 is complete. And let's move on to part 2, which is the viral references step. Now, in this part, we're going to add info to our viral reference group. And what you want to enter here is a collection of other creators' posts in your niche that have already gone viral. You can also use your own content, but only if you actually have posts that have gone viral or are outliers for your account. And the reason is to teach Poppy exactly what a viral post looks and sounds like in your specific niche. Don't just upload any random viral content that has nothing to do with your account or your audience, because a viral post in my niche will look completely different than a viral post in, say, the fitness niche or a viral post by MrBeast, for example, because we create completely different content and our audiences are completely different. For this group, I like to add 4 to 6 videos that have recently gone viral in the last 3 months. If you're not sure how to find viral posts in your niche, you can search manually using the Explore feed in Instagram, for example, or your search page on TikTok. You can also use viral AI content scraper apps like Viral Finder or 𝗕𝗿𝗄𝗎 to find viral posts for different creators. Either way works, but using AI to help you speed up the process helps a lot. But if you're not sure how to use these AI viral post finder apps, let me know in the comments, and if enough people are interested, I'll create a separate video on how to use those to find viral content for you. And again, once you find your viral post, just copy the links and paste them into your viral references group. Once you've done that, step 2 is complete, and Poppy will automatically start transcribing and watching those videos while we move on to part number 3, which is the content idea step. Now, part 3 is where we give Poppy our new content idea. But this step is a bit different because you can do it in 2 ways. The first way you can do it is to find a viral post in your niche that you want to recreate in your own way for your brand, channel, or social media account. And just like the previous steps, all you have to do is copy the link to the viral post and paste it into your content idea group on your Poppy board. You only need 1 post for this step. Or the second way you can do this is if you have an idea that you've thought of yourself that you want to create into a viral post, you can add it to this group as a voice note like I showed you earlier by clicking here and just recording your post idea by speaking it. Or you can just type your idea out as a text box by clicking here. Then type what you want your post to be about. Then add it to your content ideas group like this. For this example, I'm going to use an inspiration post from my niche and show you how to recreate it in a different but equally viral way for my account. But please remember, and I can't say this enough, please never ever just copy and paste another person's content and recreate it exactly like they did. Because first, it's wrong, that goes without saying. And second, even though it might seem tempting to copy somebody else, it will never convert the same way for you as it did the original creator, because it's already been done. You always want to put your own spin on the posts you use as inspiration, because that's what makes you stand out as a creator. And that is exactly what 𝗕𝗕 is going to help you do. And it does that by using the information from your tone of voice group to sound just like you. It uses the information from your content reference group to learn the structure and elements of a viral post. And then it uses the post or idea from your content idea group to create that idea in a new way that sounds like you and is structured exactly like a viral post from your niche. Now it's time for me to show you exactly what 𝗕𝗕 is capable of. This is the prompting step. And there's a specific way to prompt 𝗕𝗕 if you want the best results. But don't worry, because I'm going to give you all the prompts you need and show you the order that you need to use them. So what you need to do next is come over to the left menu and click on the chat option. This will automatically add a chat box to your 𝗕𝗕 board. Then what you need to do is connect all of the 3 groups to the chat by clicking right here and then dragging the connection to the chat like this. Once you've done that for all of the groups on your 𝗕𝗕 board, the 𝗕𝗕 AI chat now has access to all of this information in real time. And you can now chat directly with all of this all at the same time. Let me show you what I mean. To start, I always ask 𝗕𝗕 this prompt just to make sure it sees everything correctly. The first prompt is, what do you see attached to this chat? Please describe it in detail. Now, before you hit submit, I want to point out that 𝗕𝗕 AI actually gives you access to all of the top AI LLM models that you can choose to chat with. But for content creation, I always suggest you stick with Claude because it gives you the most human-like responses, which is really important for content creation. Now, once you submit this prompt, 𝗕𝗕 will analyze all of the groups and what's inside them, and give you a detailed description of everything it can see. Here it says it can see our tone of voice group, our viral reference group, and our content idea group. And it describes everything inside each of these groups perfectly. Now, the next step you need to do is to make sure 𝗕𝗕 understands your tone of voice so that it can create content that sounds just like you. To do that, you're going to give 𝗕𝗕 the second prompt. Please analyze the post in the tone of voice group and tell me exactly my tone in the way that I speak so that you can use this info to create content that sounds like me in the future. Then once you hit submit, 𝗕𝗕 will analyze your content in the tone of voice group and give you a perfect analysis of what you sound like. If you look at the response it gave me, you can see 𝗕𝗕 analyze my voice, the way that I speak, the different words and phrases I say, and what you want to do is review this response and make sure it's actually right. This is really important because if you don't get this part right, your posts won't sound like you when you ask 𝗕𝗕 to create them in the next step. Once you have your voice analysis done, the third prompt you need to give 𝗕𝗕 is going to ask it to analyze what viral content looks and sounds like in your niche. To do that, we're going to enter this prompt. Please analyze the post in the viral reference group. Determine their viral post structure, timing, patterns, spoken hooks, text hooks, visual hooks, text overlays, and overall visuals. Explain in detail why these videos went viral so that I can replicate their viral post strategy. And don't forget, I'm going to give you all of these prompts down below the video, either in the description or a pinned comment. Or you can download the PDF that goes along with this video and just copy and paste the prompts from there and get a few extra bonus tips too. But once it does, you can see it breaks down exactly why these posts went viral and explains all of the common viral elements these posts have in common that you can now apply to your own posts. Well, not you exactly. 𝗕𝗕 is going to apply them to your posts for you, but you know what I mean. I'll scroll through this slowly now so you can take a look. You can see it gives you the hooks, the visual elements, it even breaks down the text overlays on screen, and the overall post structure, which is really helpful when you're trying to figure out why a post went viral in the first place. If you want to read what 𝗕𝗕 said here, you can always pause the video as I scroll, or you can scroll back and rewatch this part to read everything that 𝗕𝗕 said. But once you have this response, the last prompt we need to give 𝗕𝗕 is to ask it to take all of this information it analyzed for us, our tone of voice, the viral post elements, and put it all together to create a new, unique viral post idea for us. So to get 𝗕𝗕 to create our new post for us, you're going to give it this one last prompt. And make sure you copy and paste this prompt exactly or almost exactly so that 𝗕𝗕 understands exactly what you're asking it to do next. Here's the prompt. Using the post in the content ideas group as the topic, Create a new viral post following these instructions. Using what you analyze about my tone and the examples of my voice in the tone of voice group, write a new script so that it sounds exactly like me. Create the new post using the viral framework and viral post structure you analyze from the content in the reference group. Include the hook and all visual elements that should be included. Then once you submit this prompt, Poppy again will think for a few seconds, and then it will respond with an entirely new post idea for us that matches our tone of voice exactly and follows the viral framework from already proven viral posts in our niche. Let's see what it said. And again, you can pause or rewind this video to read the entire Poppy response, but you can see it wrote the entire script for us that matches the topic of our example post. And it wrote it using our exact tone of voice. And Poppy also explains how it structured the post following the viral framework. It even gives us the visual and text hooks to add to our posts. You don't have to come up with any of this yourself because Poppy gives you the exact script, text, and hooks that you need to use. Now, once you have this last response, make sure you read it through to double check that it's actually correct. As amazing as Poppy is, it's still AI and can still sound weird sometimes or make mistakes. It's not 100% perfect all of the time. Sometimes you'll have to make some tweaks to the post it creates for you by prompting Poppy to make some small changes. If you do need to make any changes, you can just chat with Poppy until you're happy with the post. And to be honest, this process took me a bit longer than it actually takes me to do this in real life because I was walking you through exactly how to do it and explaining each part. But once you get used to using Poppy and fine-tune your Poppy board to your brand or channel, you can literally generate a week's worth of content in less than an hour. You can also use this same strategy to script out long-form YouTube videos if that's the type of content you want to create. And this was just one example of how you can use Poppy to help you speed up your content creation process so that you can finally stop feeling like a burned out creator all the time. Now, if you decide you want to use Poppy AI to help you create your content, the website is down below in the description. But let me be very clear. Poppy is not free, just like almost every other really great AI app out there. But I do have a discount code that you can use if you decide you do want to give it a try. You can see the code here on my screen, or you can get it down below. But obviously, an app like Poppy does cost something to use because it costs the developers to run the back end of this app and keep it functional for us. But if you average out the cost of Poppy per month when you use my discount code, it actually costs less than ChatGPT and Claude, and it does so much more than ChatGPT and Claude ever could in a much simpler way. Of course, it's completely up to you if you want to use Poppy or not. I just really wanted to share one of my new favorite AI tools with you and show you something new that is really helping me create content better and faster than I ever could before. And one last thing that I want to say is that if you want to learn more about how to use AI to help you create and grow a personal brand that gives you time freedom instead of feeling burned out all the time, I would love it if you join me in my community where I share all of my tips and tricks that I've learned from growing my own personal brand from nothing just a few years ago to almost 700,000 subscribers across multiple social media accounts. In the community, I share AI growth strategies for creators, tutorials on how to use the newest AI apps to speed up your work, and also my best tips on monetizing your content. You can find the community link below this video, and I really hope to see you there.